How to convert Facebook account to page. If you want to convert your Facebook account to page, follow these steps. To convert your Facebook account to a page, you will need to do one modification on your app. Firstly, open Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. After logging in to your account, tap on the menu option from the bottom panel. Now select your profile at the top. In your profile, you will see three options at the center. These are Add to Story, Edit Profile, and a three-dot icon. Tap on the three-dot icon to go to Profile Settings. In your Profile Settings, search for the option Turn on Professional Mode. Select that option and click on Turn On. This will turn on your professional mode. As you can see here, it says Success, your profile is now in professional mode. In professional mode, you can get all the access just like a Facebook page. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.